Everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is another video here. It's part of our Learn HTML the Right Way series, and this time around we'll be talking on how you can insert audio to your web page. So let's jump to the code without too much word and see it in action. So let's go to the code. You can see in our previous video we inserted video here. So let's just do something here. So I've just renamed this to let's say my latest, or let me say the sound I love. The sound I love. So now how do you do that? Let's clear this out, we don't need it. So let's say to embed audio, so you just say audio. So let's close it. So then inside you just have the source. You specify the source of the audio. So it's also a self-closing tag. So let's come here src. We're going to use a relative path. You can also use absolute path pointing to the URL of the audio. So let's specify the type also. Then up here we need to allow control. So let's save it. Then let's go back to our page and see what we have. So down here you can see the sound I love. So this is the audio. Then let's play. So let's play. The sound is playing now. So that is how you can insert audio to your web page. You can see it's very nice. So but there's something I also want to clear out here. Many browsers may not support this audio element. So in such case you need to find a way to notify your user that this thing doesn't work. So for video and for audio, so I've just fixed that. So let me just come here, say your browser does not support video tag. So same for audio. So let's just come here. So after this, so let's just put it here. So let's just change this to audio. So let's save. So that when the browser of a user doesn't support that that element, it's going to give them this message, so that it will not just leave them without any information. So that is that for adding audio. If you have any question, shoot in the comment. And don't forget to like, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Meet you in another release. Thank you.